What will win in a drag race off-road uphill between a Volkswagen Amarok pickup truck and a Toyota Helix? Well, we're going to find out. We're also going to compare these cars in a series of off-road challenges to see which is the very best. I'm M. Watson and you're watching Car Wow. Okay, Sam, you know, I like to have things in my favor. I've got a 3L V6 diesel with 240 horsepower. And you're in the truck with a 2.8L 4-cylinder diesel with 204 horsepower. Yeah, nothing about that surprises me in any way, shape, or form. Okay, so both these trucks have been tuned by Arctic Truck, so lifted, big wheels on them, all that kind of stuff. And goodness, reprogrammed off-road systems. But one area where yours is superior to mine is that while I might have a low-range mode, I don't have no locking diffs, whereas you do. Yeah, and that might just be the separation. This is where you might beat me. Fine, whatever. No one cares about it. But everywhere else, I'm going to destroy you. However, despite a few clear differences, these modified pickups cost almost exactly the same amount. So, which is the best off-roader? Graham, our judge over there, who's going to start this race, will be the decision maker on this. Let's find out. This is this first challenge, though. Drag race. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, V6. No, V6, you're not doing it. Come on, go. Oh dear. That didn't go as planned. I think you won that. I think I did win that. I felt vertical at one point. This thing was really slow. The line. It's likened by that point you're ahead of me and you just kept on going, and yes, you're like a speedboat, like cresting a wave on the edge of that cliff bit there. That's in the stunt world what we'd call a kicker, and that's to make the car flip. It's almost perfectly designed for it. Graham, yes, not a great start from me. No, closer than I was expecting, to be fair. I was expecting this to win. So was I. And he won. He won 2 to the Toyota 1 for this next challenge. You know how people like to think that I put myself in the best car. Well, I'm at a bit of a disadvantage for this next challenge. So, what we're going to do with this challenge, Sam, is drive round into the woods, go round the hairpin at the tree, and then back through. The only problem is there's a low branch on the exit, and I've got some accessories on my roof from GMA, who have worked in partnership with Arctic Trucks to produce this vehicle. That means I'm going to have to go pretty slow around there. I'm nervous. You could have another win on your hands. That's an invalid excuse. Figure it out. Do you have rear-wheel drive available in your car? Yes. Should I put it into rear-wheel drive, do you think? Absolutely. I actually have 4-wheel drive automatic, so I'm going to use that. The Amarok should also be slightly more maneuverable because its 12.9 meters turning circle is about 50 centimeters tighter than the Helix, and that could make all the difference in this test. So, Greg's going to time us around this loop. Whichever vehicle does it quickest wins. He's gone rear-wheel drive, he has. Music, he thinks he's going to like drift it around there. Applause, music, number. Bogged it. No. Applause, oh, didn't work. Damn, he's cocked it up. It's his own fault he's not getting another go. I didn't got a plan. No bad plan. I tried a different line. It didn't work. So, I reckon that's the 32nd. Weren't far off. 2,811. I just got to be sensible. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Come all right through this bit. So get around here. 3-point turn it. Get into O. The gear selector on this is bloody rubbish. There's too many buttons on the side. Come on, you silly car. It's so slow to pick up. Now, this is what I got to watch out for. Don't go too fast through here cause my top box. I'll go for it. Got to have had him. Wasn't my fastest time, but it just needs to be fast enough. So, he was 2,811. I reckon I was 275. Yeah, 2,735. Look at this. This gear selector, right. Normally on these things, you have like the release button on the side. Don't you? Yeah, this has gear modes, so up and down. And the actual release is there at the front. What a crap design. 2 to this, 1 to that. 3 each. 3 each. In this next test, it's a slow race. So, the idea is we're going to drive down this hill, but we want it as slow as possible. We're using whatever systems we've got on our cars. So, we've all got low range mode. We've got hill descent control. I can alter the rate of descent using the buttons on the cruise control here. And we'll see who can go down the slowest. You're not allowed to touch the brake, though. Right. Graham, do you want to start us off? 3, 2, 1. Off the brake. Come on. Blimey me. What's happened to that? Yeah, mine's not engaged. I don't normally like to play fair, but doing another go at that. Yeah, I'm going to turn it all off and on again and see will it engage. So, hill descent just flashes, but it won't engage. It's just not having it, is it? Oh, there we go. We're in. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Bite. Oh no. Oh yeah. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this actually. I thought the Helix would do better at this to tell you the truth. You all right? Yeah, I thought I'd beat you down. I think you have. 3rd place to the Helix, 2nd place to Graham, and 1st place to me. So, what does that mean, Graham? 2, 1. So, what's the scores? 5, 4. The hill descent control on this was really good. Whereas yours, what was going on, Sam? After all, that Polivy was the same. No, it definitely went slower that time. It was trying to do some kind of hill descent. But I tell you what, traction control was flashing the whole time going down the hill as well. Anyway, should we move on to the next challenge? Maybe you can claw some points back. In this next challenge, we're going to check out the car's chassis articulation, their ground clearance, their traction, cause we're going to drive at this depth slope and then we're going to drive down the other one. And Graham's going to judge us on finesse. The idea is to keep the car moving forward without any wheel spin, without any lurching, and we'll see which one does it the best. Low range mode selected, no diff for me, a rear diff for him. That's going to help him out. But let's see if this car's traction control systems and electronics can do the job. I've got mud and rut selected in the drive modes. Both these trucks have giant 37 inches off-road tires and upgraded suspension. As a result, the Toyota has 93 millimeters more ground clearance than the standard Helix, but this modified Volkswagen has 125 millimeters of extra clearance compared with a standard Amarok. Someone's going to go fast. When you're ready, Graham. It's got a rigid axle at the back, independent suspension at the front. Oh, that looks so good going up there. Lovely work. That downhill section is quite tricky. That's it. Good. That's it. Rear right wheel up in the air, but so smooth. That was pretty. Sam, that looked very good. Quite impressed by that. How was it for you? It was amazing. I'm going to have to go somewhere to beat you. Did he use your rear diff lock as well? I mean, I pushed some buttons. I don't know. Was it on or off? It's irrelevant. He definitely had it on. He just doesn't want to claim that he's got an advantage, which he has. Come on, Volkswagen. Even though I think you're a Ford Ranger. This is a bit more lurch. I can tell already. I can tell you now I've lost cause of that. And that's the difference between having a rear diff lock and not having one. There it is. It's all good now. So, the down was good. The up was less. So, applause. Oh, go on. Tell me. I know what it is. High. Looks Amarok. Amarok didn't do that as well. Zip lock. Yeah, pretty much. I just walked it up there. So you can get this truck with an optional diff lock if you're off-roading.
That was pretty.
Yeah, spend the money, right. Yeah, do you know what, Sam? Do you want to just go up there again, but without your rear diff lock on?
It was amazing.
I bet it does it better than this. Alright, I'll do that. Anyway, 2 points to that, 1 to this. 6 all. 6 all. Is the diff lock off? Don't trust me, do you? No, I don't trust you. This is why I don't trust him. You mustn't downshift. Applause music. I'm going to try and make this as good as possible cause I can't have him being smug. That was a clear example. Anyone pick up the car. You saw the difference there. Okay, next challenge. I think you have to progress with your diff locks in Sam because that's how the truck comes. This truck has come like this. It's bad luck for me. I can confirm my diff locks are re-engaged. Come on, electronics. Do it. I'm just going to have to do some damn skill driving. So, this next challenge, we're going to go down the side slope and up over a side slope. We'll see how good the electronics are on this to stop that rear axle that goes up in the air. It might not go up in the air. If it doesn't go up in the air, I'm okay. But if it does, whether this system can prevent the wheels from spinning away, cuz Graham will mark me down for that.
So the down was good,
but it is
the
what
up
it
was
is.
less so.
This is how the car came. VWC heaping out on bits. Here we go. Oh, he's going high. That slope wheel in the air. Graham, this is what you call commitment. That's a win in itself, isn't it? On the end of your lovely little run, Graham. Yeah, I'm going for me run. Through goes Hamilton. Right, this is it. Come on, spin some wheels, please. Sam, he's taking a hard angle there. I don't know why he chose that. Committed, committed. You need committing. Matt, I want bravery points for those two. Why do you need bravery points? What? Cuz you went quite high up the slope. Yeah, Graham can confirm on your say-so. Here we go then, Graham. Got my hill descent control just warring away. This is quite angled. That's nice. 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 Don't spin your wheels. Oh, I'm struggling there. It got there in the end, but that's no, I've had it. Well done, Matt. That was actually really funny. I basically drifted up there, didn't I? You turned in so early for that hill. It was amazing. That did it better. Yeah, but this was stylish. Okay, you like that. I was going for some star points. I knew couldn't win for traction. 2 for that, 1 for this. So, 8 points to the Toyota, 7 to the Volkswagen Ford. For this next challenge, we're going to go through the lake up some slippery rocks. It's sort of rock crawl uphill with the rocks being very wet. You should put your diff lock in here. And as Sam says, I should put my diff lock in. I should. What I need to do is take this back to the dealer and reorder one with a diff lock. Yeah, that's what you'll need to do for this next challenge. Ah, well, we'll see what happens. Now, I could splash him, but I'm not going to cuz that would be mean. Music, I'm just going to jaunt up here quick matter. Alright, why didn't you follow me quickly? I'm a bit nervous about this. Get through here with a bit of speed. Okay, go. Just going for it. Laughter, oh, Graham, mate. I think that was pretty blooming good. That was I don't even want Graham to decide this. I'm going to have authority here and say you've got to take the win for that. Let's just check with Greg cuz I don't want to take any kind of thingy point. But I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. I would totally agree with what Sam's just did. I went up there. It was bouncing around like Zebedee on acid, but he got up there brilliantly. Have you ever done acid grow? No, no, no. He's so acid, hasn't he? Or are you more of a quad kind of guy? Yeah, okay, good. So, points, 2, 1, 9 all. So, we're going to our final challenge. Everything to play for. I didn't anticipate that. Now we come to the final challenge. Oh, by the way, have you noticed this? Look, 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 look at this. New CarWow merch. Here's some examples of the designs. If you want to check it out, just click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen. Now, there's also a link in the description of the video. Right, final challenge. Race up this hill. It's quite slippy. We want to go as quickly as possible, but with as little wheel spin as possible, cuz Graham will mark us down for it. 9 each. So, this is the decider. That was amazing. I'm not even sure any wheels spun there at all. Ah, right. Here I go. 2. I need some momentum. Not much wheel spin. So, music, oh, you see, I didn't see it. Do you want to describe it to him? Well, it was a surprise, but there was about the same amount of wheel spin as you, as in nothing. Well, he doesn't have a diff lock. Well, the one that went up better would be the Helix. Helix wins. You see, I tried to do the moral thing and I still win that way. That's a double win. It's a double win. Yeah, so, I'm going to take it back. Do you need to spend on the diff lock only if you're going to be doing some serious off-roading? I mean, where's the shop that requires that? Well, anyway, there we go. Listen, huge thanks to Arctic Trucks and Gear Mate for lending us these cars. Really appreciate it. If you want to change your car the easy way, so sell your car, get dealers all across the country bidding on it, and then buy your next car. Can all do all through CarWag dead simple as well. Thanks to Sam, Graham, everyone else.
I'm just going to jaunt up here quick, Matt, all right? Why didn't you follow me quickly?
Oh, I'm a bit nervous about this. Get through here with a bit of speed. Just going for it. Oh, Graham, mate, I think that was pretty blooming good, that was.
I don't even want Graham to decide this. I'm going to have authority here and say you've got to take the win for that.
Let's just check with Graham, because I don't want to take any kind of thingy points, but I appreciate that, Sam. I appreciate that a lot.
I would totally agree with what Sam's just said.
Okay.
That went up there, it was bouncing around like Zebedee on acid, but he got up there brilliantly.
Have you ever done acid, Graham?
No.
He's so done acid, hasn't he? Are you more of a Quaalude kind of guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So, points, 2, 1, 9 all. So, we're going to our final challenge, everything to play for. I didn't anticipate that. Now we come to the final challenge. Oh, by the way, have you noticed this? Look at this. New CarWow merch. Here's some examples of the designs. If you want to check it out, just click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen now. There's also a link in the description of the video. Right, final challenge. Race up this hill. It's quite slippy. We want to go as quickly as possible, but with as little wheel spin as possible, because Graham will mark us down for it. 9 each. So this is the decider. That was amazing.
I'm not even sure any wheel spun there at all.
Ah! Right, here I go. 3, 2, 1. I need some momentum, not much wheel spin, so.
Oh, you see, I didn't see it.
Do you want to describe it to him?
Well, it was a surprise, but there was about the same amount of wheel spin as you, as in nothing.
Well, he doesn't have a diff lock.
Well, the one that went up better would be the Hilux.
Hilux wins.
You
then.
see, I tried to do the moral thing and I still win. That way, that's a double win.
It's a double win.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take it back. Do you need to spend on the diff lock?
Only if you're going to be doing some serious
Off-roading?
Yeah, I mean, where's the shop that requires that?
No. Well, anyway, there we go. Listen, huge thanks to Arctic Trucks and Gearmate for lending us these cars. Really appreciate it. If you want to change your car the easy way, so sell your car, get dealers all across the country bidding on it, and then buy your next car, you can all do it all through CarWow. Dead simple. As well, thanks to Sam, Graham, everyone else. If you want to watch some other videos, click on the video windows, and yeah, I'll see you next time.